Designing your own portfolio is weirdly hard, so in this video I'll show you a simple Elementor portfolio that looks impressive and helps you stand out, and it's actually free to download in the description below. Later in the video I'll show you another portfolio design that's really awesome, so stick around for that reveal. But first let me show you how this one works, because at first glance it looks like a full height hero section. But if you click, for example, let's just click this button, it expands with even more information. And what I love about this design is that it's still just a one-page website. And in my experience, the simple portfolio is often the one that clients find most impressive actually. So if you want to use this portfolio yourself, then find the link in the description below and find this green button, and then you'll receive this file, and that's all you need, because you can actually just drag and drop this in and wait a few seconds, and there you go. Now you can see you have imported the entire template, and all of this is made without the plugin. So you can see here in structure that this is only possible because of this code down here, but you don't need to do anything about this code, it's just down here at the bottom. Okay, but before I show you how to edit everything in here, for example the images, I want to show you this other advanced design, and let's just refresh it here. This is a bit more complicated because over here you can see we have sub pages. So if I click my work here, you can see that this is actually really nice, because this section over here can scroll, and this over here is all the time fixed. I just love this part. This also includes an about me page here, which I think looks really cool and again really simple. And this template is available on my template club, so you can see, where is it, here? And this is of course a premium template, so you need access, but once you're inside you have access to all of these templates. And sometimes my members message me, like Maurice here, who landed an 8K project using one of these templates, which really made my day and the exact reason why I made these templates. But let's return back to the free template, because here on the download page you will find a video tutorial about this exact template, and this video will show you everything, so make sure to watch that. I'll leave a link to it here, and thank you for watching.